Have you ever dreamed of turning a simple idea into a fully functional web app, complete with login, database, payments, and more, without writing a single line of code? In 2026, Atoms makes it reality through AI agents that work just like your entire product team. Welcome back to AIPURE. That's right, today we're featuring Atoms, a powerful new AI agent tool we've discovered. And we'll guide you step by step on how to use it to build a revenue-ready SaaS dashboard from scratch. If you've always wanted to launch a product without assembling a full dev team, this video is for you. We'll start with what Atoms can do, explore real examples, and build a complete SaaS control panel together. Let's get started. Atoms is a browser-based AI development platform that acts like your virtual product team. You describe what you want in plain English, and Atoms coordinates specialized AI agents, each with a specific role to plan, design, build, and launch your full app from start to finish. Before we dive into building our SaaS control panel, let's quickly meet the key agents who make it happen. They work like real teammates. For example, engineer Alex reads your prompt, creates a task list for your approval, then builds and refines the code. Here's the core crew. Team leader Mike oversees the full plan, coordinates agents, and gets your sign-off to keep things fast and on track. SEO specialist Sarah builds SEO pages and optimizations to drive traffic at low cost. Data analyst David analyzes data for growth insights and smart decisions. Deep researcher Iris spots market demand and turns it into focused opportunities. Architect Bob designs scalable system blueprints. Product manager Emma shapes your idea into a clear, simple spec. In practice, Atoms doesn't just generate code snippets, it delivers complete full-stack projects with front-end, back-end, auth, and payments ready to go. Now that you know the team, let's see them in action, building something real. Before we dive into the how, let's talk about what you can actually build with Atoms. You can use it to create marketing landing pages for new products, subscription-based SaaS tools with user logins and billing, internal dashboards for analytics or operations, simple web apps like task managers, CRMs, or portfolio sites. There's a wide range of real, usable outputs, from quick prototypes to apps that can start generating revenue. In this video, we'll focus on one very practical example, starting from zero and building a revenue-ready SaaS control panel for online stores. We'll go from idea to live dashboard so you can see the entire workflow end-to-end. Now let's get started with Atoms. Here are the steps so you can follow along easily. Step 1, sign up, go to Atoms and create an account. For beginners, AIPURE recommends signing up quickly using your Google account. It's the fastest way without extra hassle. Once registered, hover your mouse to the left side of the page. Just like Perplexity, a sidebar slides out. Click New Project, or simply type your idea directly in the homepage's main input box. Step 2, enter your project idea, the prompt. For today's demo, we're building a SaaS analytics dashboard for e-commerce stores. Here's our exact prompt. Build a subscription dashboard that connects to Shopify API, shows daily revenue trends, top-selling products table, and customer growth charts. Include user authentication, Stripe payments for Pro Plan at $9 per month, and clean, responsive design like modern SaaS dashboards. This one description tells Atoms exactly what to build. Step 3, access the workspace. Click the upward arrow icon next to the input box, or just hit enter on your keyboard. This sends your idea to the AI team. Then you're inside the workspace. Left side shows the chat window for your AI agents like Engineer Alex. Right side is the live preview where your app builds in real time. It's like a modern code editor. Think VS Code mixed with a visual builder, like Webflow, but powered entirely by AI. Step 4, review and approve. Engineer Alex analyzes your prompt and generates a detailed work list, a project plan with all the key steps and features. You'll see this in the left chat window. If anything looks wrong, edit the plan directly. If it looks good, click Approve to continue. For this fast demo, we'll click Approve right away. Next, Alex asks for Shopify admin API credentials. Shopify _admin _API _access _token and Shopify _store _domain. You can enter real credentials to connect a live store or click Skip to use mock data for testing. We'll choose Skip to keep moving quickly. Step 5, watch Alex build. Automatically, Alex now works automatically. In the left chat, you'll see progress updates. On the right, watch the code generate. The magic moment. Under 20 minutes later, Alex says, build complete. Step 6, preview your dashboard. Click App Viewer at the top to see the result. There it is. Revenue charts, product tables, customer metrics, all working perfectly. It matches our prompt almost exactly. Step 7, customize with simple chat commands. Don't like the colors? No coding needed. In the left chat, type, change the color to green. Watch the dashboard update in seconds. Same for layout changes, new features, or tweaks. Just describe what you want. Step 8, test and publish. Test like a real user. Log in, click charts, navigate pages. When ready, click the Publish button, top right corner. Your SaaS dashboard is now live, shareable, and ready to accept $9 per month payments via Stripe. Total time, under 20 minutes. Step 9, go live. Optional production setup. Want it fully production ready? Add your custom domain, connect real Stripe/Shopify keys, and share with customers. This exact workflow works for email tools, CRMs, landing pages, anything web-based. That's it. 9 clear steps from blank page to revenue-ready SaaS dashboard. Powered by AI agent Alex and the Adams team. No coding degree required, no dev team needed. The key difference? You're not staring at a blank editor. You've got an AI engineer who understands full product workflows from day one. Adams is a great fit if you're a founder or indie hacker who wants to validate ideas quickly, a marketer or operator who needs a working tool, not just mock-ups, a developer who wants to skip boilerplate and jump straight into customization. If you're trying to build highly complex, specialized systems, you'll still want deeper engineering. But for SaaS dashboards and similar products, Adams covers most of the heavy lifting. Here are a few quick tips from AIPURE to get better results with Adams. Be as specific as possible in your initial prompt. Describe users, flows, and design style. Use the chat like you would message a teammate. Ask Alex to adjust layout, add features, or fix logic. Start with simple dashboards, then layer on more advanced functionality as you go. Before we wrap up, here's AIPURE's honest review of Adams based on our hands-on tests. What we loved, 18-minute MVP. Revenue-ready dashboard faster than hiring one freelancer. Chat-driven edits. Change color to green. Just seconds. Instant visual update. Free tier delivers. Complete working SaaS. No paywall during build. Skip API option. Mock data lets you test full flow immediately. Areas to improve. Real Shopify integration needs Pro Plan plus API keys. Complex custom charts require manual code tweaks. Free tier limits to 2 Adams Cloud projects before upgrade nudge. Final AIPURE score, 7.8 out of 10. This isn't a toy demo. It's a real SaaS control panel you could charge $9 per month for tomorrow. Adams makes solo founders dangerous. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more AI tool tutorials. For deeper guides, detailed reviews, and more examples of what Adams and other AI platforms can do, head over to AIPURE. We keep you updated with the latest AI tools and the most complete practical walkthroughs so you can build faster and smarter. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.